Okay, hashtag well, hashtag now I'm in Canada National Museum. And I want to watch some dinosaurs. So, I'm going to give you the big speech here, but supposedly this dinosaur is actually very unique. Something about the horns being parted to the sides. And according to the video, I'm not going to go give you the details here. Apparently this dinosaur has some pretty serious arthritis over the years. Something about the way the bones are. Let's keep watching. I'm gonna eat you. You know, here's the thing I have to wonder. How much do you know how much muscle and how much fat does a dinosaur have? I mean, how accurate is this? A lot of people wonder that. Leave a comment below. I did not know they had different horns. But here we are.
Triceratops.
But look at this one. This one doesn't have only one horn. But this one only has one horn. Try means three, people. Come on. It's in the name. Well, how many of your horns? Let's keep walking. Oh, look at that. Ah! Oh. Holy crap. You thought the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles were big. Look at this guy. More life, people. Frog. I want to show you something. This is funny. Oh yeah, this freaked me out. This noise freaked the heck out of me. Check this out. Freaky, huh? Ooh. Let's keep going. I actually want an art museum. I don't know if I could record or not. That's a problem. I guess they're cool with me doing it here. Oh. Let's keep going. Tara, you'll figure out why I'm laughing in a moment. Okay, I want to show you something. To actually have this, I'm not even making this up. Okay, I'm not touching it because there's not a washroom nearby, but look at that. You're probably thinking, oh, that looks like a turd. Well, yeah, that's fossilized poo. I'm not making this up. That's fossilized poo. Yeah, I was messing with some kid. So you see, you touch, you better wash your hands. That's kind of fun. Gonna need this turtle stuff. More fish. More fish. Oh, look at that. Oh, I need the turtle. Let's keep going. By the way, this is a bilingual place, so both English and French. So if you're French, that's why. So here, it's supposed to be a recreation of some sort of battle scene. These guys versus those guys. Yeah. Who knows what the outcome is? Oh, now you guys wait here. So again, I always wonder, how do you know if they have feathers or fur or not? That's something I always want to know. Leave a comment below, how do you know this? Okay, I'm not going to go in here. Well, I already went here already, but basically the gist is, this is where what happened when the asteroid hit the Earth. I don't know why, I fell asleep a few times, but hopefully other people enjoyed it.
Oh, you seen this one already?
Keep going. Timeline. More dinosaurs. Wherever these guys are supposed to be. Yeah, in case you're wondering, no, I wasn't able to do it. So, oops. All right, well, this is the first floor. There's going to be some other floors, so I'm going to see you at the second floor. Again, I hope your day sucks a little less. And yeah, see you at the second floor.